Little storyteller.
The little spaceship, Zoom, was Lily's best friend. It was shiny and white with blue stripes, just like her favorite pajamas. Today was the most exciting day ever. Lily, with her bright red boots and a smile as wide as Zoom's window, was going to Mars. Her fluffy bunny, Bob, was strapped in beside her, his long ears twitching with excitement. Zoom zoomed through space, past twinkly stars that looked like tiny diamonds scattered on a dark blue blanket. Lily giggled, pointing at a giant swirly cloud of pink and purple gas. "Look, Bob, it's like cotton candy." Bob just blinked his big round eyes. Soon, they landed on Mars. It was a big red place, with rocks of all shapes and sizes. Lily put on her big white astronaut suit, and bounced out. Her boots made soft, dusty prints on the red ground. "I'm the first person on Mars," she shouted, her voice echoing in the quiet air. Bob hopped beside her, his fluffy gray fur a funny contrast to the red dust. Lily climbed a tall red hill. From the top she looked up at the sky. It was getting dark, and tiny lights started to pop out. More and more lights appeared, sparkling like a million tiny eyes. There were so many. Some were big and bright, others were small and faint. Lily had never seen so many stars before. One star was extra bright and twinkly. It seemed to wink at Lily. She felt very small under the big starry sky. The universe was so huge and wonderful, full of so many amazing things. Lily smiled. Being the first person on Mars was special, but seeing all these stars made her realize how big and exciting everything was. Lily and Bob hopped back into Zoom. As they flew back home, Lily looked out the window, one last time. She knew that even though she was small, she was part of something very big and amazing. Bob snuggled close, his soft fur tickling her arm. Lily smiled. She had learned that even the smallest person can see the biggest wonders. And that was a very happy thought.
Please subscribe. Thank you.